Some animals are just too big to tackle. The pride acknowledge that they're outclassed and saunter off to quench their thirst instead. Bachelor bull buffalo are reputed to be the most dangerous animals in Africa because they're virtually fearless, short-tempered, and aggressive. They weigh over 1.5 tons and are well armed. The lions are heading for a nearby waterhole, but the buffalo want it for themselves, and they're not going to let a pride of lions stand in their way. Lions sometimes kill buffalo, although they generally pick on the smaller calves and cows. This is another reason why the bulls are so intolerant of the big cats. Hunting under the midday sun is exhausting. It's also thirsty work. Lions like to drink every day, and prides will fight hard for possession of a waterhole. They're also good hunting grounds. The lions can hide in the reeds and pounce on unsuspecting prey coming for a drink. But now is not the time to launch an attack. Lions do kill the occasional baby rhino, but a mature black rhino could gore or crush a lion to death. Neither party is in any real danger, but both would feel easier without the other's company. Once again, it's the lions who are the losers.